Today, you're going to learn how to make a dragon fruit tea from syrup at home. Welcome to this special series on how to make fruit teas using syrup in the comfort of your own home. There are numerous suppliers that offer smaller quantities of bubble tea supplies for home use. But please bear in mind that each one varies in flavor, viscosity, and sweetness. I'll be sure to put the recipe and the conversions in the description below. So, let's get started. First, we want to get our tea brewing. We need a strong base brew. I recommend a loose leaf, medium strength Jasmine green tea. Today, I'm going to be using this one that my dear friend May gave me as a gift from Vietnam. It smells so good. It has such an amazing, super strong jasmine flavor. It is just so floral, and you can actually see loads of jasmine flowers inside it. This will go really nicely with the dragon fruit syrup. However, if you don't have a strong jasmine green tea, of course, any jasmine green tea will do. And if you don't have loose leaf at all, don't worry. 2 tea bags will work just fine. You want to experiment over time to figure out your preferred tea strength. So thank you, May, for my gift. I can't wait to use it. You'll put 1 tablespoon of the loose leaf tea into 175 milliliters of 70 degrees Celsius water. Leave it to brew covered for 7 minutes. While the tea is brewing, we're going to pour 40 milliliters of the dragon fruit syrup into a 500 milliliter shaker. Dragon fruit is one of those super cool syrups that has those little bits in it, which is quite fun, and you can see them in the syrup itself. They're not super noticeable while you're actually drinking the drink, it just kind of adds to the thickness of it while you're drinking it. It's a really nice experience. Optionally, you can add 1 teaspoon of fructose powder or 7 milliliters of fructose syrup, depending on how sweet your dragon fruit syrup is. My syrup tends to be quite sweet, so I'm going to omit that step, but it will just depend on what brand of product that you're using. If your dragon fruit syrup is super sweet, then just leave out the fructose completely. But if it's not sweet enough, definitely add it in, or consider adding an alternative like honey. Once the tea is done brewing, carefully strain it into your shaker and stir until combined. Add ice all the way to the top of the shaker. Put on the middle lid and the top lid and shake really well for 1 minute. If you don't have a shaker, I would recommend doing this next step in a really large glass and stirring for about 2 minutes. We know it's ready when there's a really nice condensation on the outside of the shaker and majority of the ice has melted. Add your topping of choice to your glass, and today I'm using these super cute star jellies. I think strawberry and dragon fruit go really well together. But alternatively, I would also suggest something like lychee juice balls, and I've also seen new ones on the market, little dragon fruit juice balls, and they've got little bits of the seed inside them too. Super, super cute. Strain the fruit tea into your glass and enjoy. And remember to hang on this middle section while pouring so it doesn't accidentally come off. Cheers! Oh yeah, and in just a second, you're gonna see a screen pop up right here. This is my playlist for you to click to see more of my fruit tea recipe videos. Such a nice, sweet dragon fruit flavor. Well, thanks so much for joining me today. I really appreciate your time, your comments, your likes for the YouTube algorithm, and you as a subscriber. Please feel free to click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos, and I will see you again soon. Take care.